Okay, friends, we're back for more. It's Mrs. Rossi. We are going to spell some sounds in whatever material we've selected. Here's my rice tray. And remember, it's just something important that you can use your sense of touch to explore. So let's get started. Maybe we'll do a practice just to warm up. So I'm going to say a sound. You repeat it after me, and then we're going to spell the sound. So the sound I'm going to give you is the sound You repeat the sound? Good. Let's spell it in our material. U says Good work. Okay, let's shake it out and let's try some different words. Okay, let's try the first sound being the sound that says R. R. Repeat that sound. Good. Let's spell that sound. A-R says R. Very good job. Okay, the next sound, take out our tray, is the sound You say the sound? Good job. Let's divide our tray into 3 sections because we know that there are 3 ways to spell the sound So let's go. I know that ER says I know that IR says and I know that UR says Did you get those with me? Great job. Okay, let's shake out our tray. The next sound we're going to spell is the sound spul. Spul. Ready? S-P-L says spul. Good job. Shake that tray out. The next sound we have is the sound eh. Repeat that sound with me. Eh. Good job. Let's spell that sound. E says eh. Nice work. Shake your tray. We have the sound A. The sound is A. Repeat that sound. Good. And I'm going to divide my tray into 4 sections because I know 4 ways to spell the sound A. You ready to go? Okay, let's see. I know A says A with a magic E at the end makes the A sound. AI says A at the beginning or the middle of a word. And AY says A at the end of a word. Those are all of the different ways that we know so far to spell the sound A. Good job. Shake out your tray. We just have a few more. The next sound we're going to spell is the sound skr. Skr. Can you repeat that sound for me? And let's spell that sound. S-C-R spells skr. Very good job. Shake out your tray. How about the sound coal? Coal. Repeat that sound. Coal. And we're going to divide our tray into 2 sections because we know 2 ways to spell that sound. So we know that CL says coal. We also know that consonant CLE says coal at the end of a word. Very good job. Shake out your tray. And our last sound that we're working with today is the sound oi. Can you say that sound for me? Oi. Very good job. I'm going to divide my tray in half because I know there's 2 ways to spell oi. I know that OI says oi at the beginning and at the middle of a word. And I know that OY spells oi at the end of a word. Good job, friends. Those are our sounds for today.